Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. You can see this is a nice wooden canvas, irregular shape, and we're going to draw a beautiful painting in this canvas. For the beginning, let's try drawing a boat here in this point. So, with the black color, we are just drawing a board. You can see this is a very rough surface, so usual painting style will be different other than the regular canvas. So this is not a smooth canvas, so that's why just we need to put some multiple strokes over the canvas, so you can see the reflections on the water of the boat. Okay, and just a symbol, there is a sailboat, so we're going to put a sail here. Sail is going to be up high, so on the high you can see the shape of the sail, and just putting the strokes here you can see. So the sail is going to be looking nice. So there are some stripes here for the sail. Okay. Awesome. And just a guy, and you can see some other instrumental purpose. Okay, so he needs some mechanism to drive the boat here. Okay, so it's going forward, and for the water you can see that I'm just putting some strokes here, so this is going to show the water. So if you want to make some variations in the graphics, then you need to put some other colors too. So this is the black color in the beginning. Later we're going to put some dark blue color for the graphics of the water. But before that one, let's draw a line like you can see the three lines which you can see in a far distance of the villages of the green lines. So just putting the color with these lines, you can see from left to the right in a regular progress. Okay, all right. So we are taking another types of brush and just putting the colors for the villages over there. You can see the green lines. So putting lots of green color here for the villages. So the ups and downs that shows the skyline. Okay, awesome. And here we're going to put some trees in this point. One tree is going to be the taller, so let's see. These are the straight lines for the trees. So with the progression of the canvas, I'm just drawing some trees merging with the nature, you can see. So this is just the graphical outlines of the trees. Okay, awesome. And there's going to be a sun here. For that purpose we're going to put the sun, but before that there are some reflections on the water, so putting some green lines here, just some broken lines to show the reflections. Okay, so because of the tree lines just have its reflections on the water, you can see some green lines on the water too, taller tree lines just coming up here. Okay, And in this point we are just going to put a sun, and it's going to be, let's see what color we can put here. I think that preferably the yellow color is going to be nice. When we put the sun, we just try to make it as round as possible. So let's make it round shape. Okay, so this is the upper portion. There are level variations in the canvas, you can see here. Okay, so other portion you can see on the other level of the canvas. Okay, so there's the sun. So if we can show you, you can see it's like a 3D. So I told you this is a different types of canvas, so the drawing style is going to be different. So you have to merge with the available canvas here so that it can be easily understood. Okay. And there are some yellow lines you can just put on the sky just to show the sun's lightings in the sky. You can see just with the yellow lines. Okay. All right. Awesome. And if you like to put some clouds here, then we need some white color, and for the clouds we just take the brush upside down, just put it like this. You can see the clouds, some irregular shapes because there's clouds just floating in the air. And you can see in some multiple layers. Okay, so this is how the skies becomes nicely visible in the nature. Okay, awesome. And for the reflections of the sun, just putting some lines here. Water body, you can see just coming from the last point and just ending up here. Also putting some white colors for the water body here, just making the variations in the reflections. Okay, so the drawing is almost coming to an end. Okay, and a little bit of the blue color, just making a dramatic impact on the water. You can see in some spaces you're just putting it. Okay, so almost done. The water looks good with the blue color, blue and other reflections. You can see the reflections of the greeneries, reflections of the sun, and the white and black reflections along with the blue reflections. So very lively water, very lively sky. That's how the drawing looks good, and you can see the sun here, up here, and the drawing is complete. Easy painting. So do practice at home. See you in our next videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.